So first, I'm very shocked, very pleased, very honored. I just want to say, God bless every student who has came through my classroom, whether you've been in my classroom or I saw you in the hallway. We love each and every student that we have at Oneida. And that's part of my job to love you, but also the love that you show us as teachers and the respect that you show us as teachers. That's what makes us who we are. You make us, okay? So this honor is not just for me, that is for you all, because you show up every day for your teachers. You work hard for your teachers. So I want to say that this is me honoring you as well and saying thank you so much for choosing Oneida, for coming here and being with us and allowing us to have an opportunity to be on your journey with you. Okay, we love each and every day that we get to take part in your growth. So I commend you all for being wonderful, outstanding students and allowing your teachers the opportunity to grow from you being here and wanting to learn. So thank you guys. Can we give a round of applause to our students? I also want to say that me standing here, I'm only who I am because of the people that you see on the outside of this in one way, shape, or form have shaped me to be the teacher that I am. Some of them were my elementary teachers and made me want to be a teacher. And I have got to be friends and have relationships with all of the staff members that are here, and I watch the things that they do, and they help me grow. So thank you to everyone sitting on the wall as well and behind me for allowing us the opportunity to grow and making me who that I am. So can we get a round of applause for the ladies on the outside? Last but definitely not least, because this is where I have grown the most, it has to be for these ladies that are sitting on the wall over here that have become some of my truly best friends, but we have actually taught with each other for many years, and I am who I am because of them. They show up for me every day when I need help or I need ideas. We share and we collaborate, so I can by far say my team is better than your team because just the ladies that I have, they really push me and have helped me grow. So that is me not being anything better than anyone else. It is the fact that I have a wonderful team that uplifts me and shares ideas, and we can collaborate and work together for our third graders. So thank you, ladies. So can you guys give those third grade teachers a round of applause? And any student who has had me knows that I'm a talker, so I'm going to go ahead and end here, because if not, I'm going to be chatting to you all day long. So thank you very much for this honor, and thank you, ladies, for the hard work that you've put in as well.
Congratulations. Good job. Great speech.